Why do some replacement parts last longer than others? Replacement parts last longer when they are made from stronger materials, fit the equipment correctly, and are installed and maintained properly. A replacement part's lifespan depends on more than whether it is new. Materials matter because hardened steel, high-quality rubber, and strong plastics usually handle heat, pressure, movement, and chemicals better than cheaper versions. The part also needs to match the exact make, model, and working conditions of the equipment. A small difference in size or shape can create extra rubbing, vibration, or pressure, which causes early failure. Installation matters too, because over-tightening a bolt, leaving dirt on a sealing surface, or connecting a part incorrectly can damage it immediately. Some parts last longer because they include protective coatings that slow rust and wear. A lesser-known fact is that storage can affect a part before it is ever used. Rubber seals can become brittle from sunlight, ozone, or extreme temperatures. To get longer service, check the manufacturer's specifications. Choose a reputable part, keep the area clean, and follow the recommended maintenance schedule. One common mistake is choosing the cheapest part without checking its material or warranty, so compare quality and expected service life instead of price alone. Another mistake is assuming that every part with the same name will fit, so verify the exact model number and dimensions before buying. People also often replace a failed part without finding the original cause, such as misalignment, excessive heat, or blocked airflow, so inspect the surrounding equipment before installing the new one. Finally, skipping lubrication or cleaning can shorten the life of even an excellent part, so follow the care instructions and record maintenance dates. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.